Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Thursday, February 4th of 2021. And if you can't tell, I got a new microphone. This is a professional broadcasting mic. Hopefully it sounds better to you. Let me know in the comments. If you're new here, welcome to the first day of a new mic. Let's go ahead and look at the market, what happened overnight. We can see that, Bitcoin's been making a move the past few weeks. Same with Ethereum. Now, what we want to expect is the trickle-down effect. So usually in the start of a bull run, Bitcoin has its first move, and then Ethereum will take over, and then it trickles down to altcoins, to big caps, and then you will have micro caps. So outside the top 20 or so will be last to move, technically speaking. So Chainlink had an all-time high yesterday. Now it's decided to go the other way, apparently. We'll keep an eye on Chainlink. We're going to look at the charts and all these in just a minute. Uniswap and AAVE having some good moves, especially AAVE. Look at 40% in the past 24 hours. Looking great. I expect these two to move up the chart in the coming days and weeks. Stellar is going to make a good run this time. Let's go ahead and look at Link on the chart. It looks okay. We're still in this uptrend, so we don't want to start breaking this lower line. We want to look for that. You could see right in this area. If we start breaking outside of this, there might be some cause for concern. But until then, no big deal. This is on the daily chart. So if we switch over to the weekly, it looks even better. We're still fine. See these big tear ups and then across and tear up. So I think we're still consolidating for maybe another few days, up to a week. We shall see soon enough. Ethereum is putting in all-time highs. This is what we want out of Chainlink and other altcoins. We want it to break out of the flat top on up here, the ascending wedge, and then explosion out like a firework. You can see Chainlink is kind of still forming its ascending wedge, and it hasn't really made its firm move out of it yet. Bitcoin, I drew this box, this would be ideal for alts if we could keep ranging within this box. Now this is a huge movements, $10,000 almost, 30,000 to 40,000, but in anywhere in there we could still take off. If you want to get a little bit more picky about it, I mean, obviously the tighter range bound we can make, the less knee-jerk reactions that alts will have. So if we could range in this area, that would be ideal. 38 to 32 area. This would be perfect. Altcoins can really start soaring if you're this high above the 21-week EMA and just going sideways. That's perfect storm. If we look back at our DXY, I've talked about this in the past a little bit. And this is an 18-year chart. This purple line. This is dating back to 2003. Almost 18 years. This is the trend line. We've held it as resistance here. Resistance. Came back down after we broke through it. We tested as support. Support. Broke through it. Kind of a fake out. And support. We broke through it. We want to hold this as resistance. We want the dollar to fall. That paves the way for altcoins to soar. We want to get rejected off of this. We want to make a lower low, and altcoins will, all of crypto, even Bitcoin, will just explode. We're having a cross. We just crossed. These don't flip back and forth very often. And the last time it did was 18 years ago, right in here. March of 2003 was the last time we had a cross down with the 21 over the 50. So hopefully this holds true. We'll get rejected. We want to reject on the daily chart. We want to reject off this 100-day moving average. On the weekly chart, we want to reject. Look at this line is going to coincide exactly with our support resistance line that we just drew on the bigger time scale. So when you have lines of importance coinciding and crossing with each other, they become double important. So this would be amazing if the DXY could reject off of both of these lines, our 18-year support resistance line is the purple, and our 21-week EMA is the yellow. They are basically touching right now. If we get a rejection off this, which I am anticipating, I do expect us to hold this as resistance and fall back down. And that would just pave crypto euphoria, in my opinion. So we're going to look at that. Bitcoin dominance is also at an important level right now. We've been playing with this for the past 4 months. We're at our support line. We played with it for over a week back here, a few days in here. We're now approaching a week of holding this as support again. If we want to see alts rise, this needs to fall or just go sideways. That's fine. When it's doing this, alts have room to run. It's just losing its control and its strength over the rest of the market. So we want to break this. If we look back in history, this move here, December of 2017 to January of 2018, this is when altcoins exploded. This was a huge alt season. One of the first alt seasons. Ethereum made its $1,400 run in this span when Bitcoin was capitulating on dominance and losing control of everything. So that's what we want to look for again. We want Bitcoin to break this, potentially come down and at least bottom out here. And if it falls through that, alts will just super explode. We haven't seen anything yet. If this happens, if this breaks, we're in for a treat. So that's what we're going to look for in the meantime. We're going to have an afternoon video as well on, I think we're going to do Uniswap. So if you're a fan of that, be sure to check that out. If you have a coin that you want to get featured in tomorrow's video or maybe on the next live stream, just leave me a comment below. I'm happy to take a look. Other than that, let's jump into our car of the day. Just got it in the mail yesterday. It is the brand new ultra rare Bugatti Divo. It just came out. In real life, this will set you back a cool $6 million. 1,500 horsepower. Only 40 are being made. They're already all sold. Everyone just can't wait to get their hands on them. Apparently, you know, everyone's just got $6 million sitting in their back pocket waiting for a Bugatti Divo. So, would be nice. 0 to 60 in just over 2 seconds. 1,500 horsepower, like I mentioned. Super fast, awesome. Whole body's carbon fiber. So with that, I'll leave you with a quote of the day. That's it for now, guys. I appreciate you. Thanks so much. 50 gold stars. Videos 5 days a week. Making at least 10 videos a week now, plus a live stream or two. Appreciate you. Everything is free. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.